I will use national language. Buksan mo yung pinto. My golly, very hard to talk in Tagalog.
Sandali. Hindi mo ba naiintindihan talaga? Walang ID. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok. Sige, malis ka na.
But I want to talk to the principal. I have my summit conference to him. Understand?
Naninigaw ka yata dahil
Oo.
dinadaan mo yata. Sino ka? Hmm. 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 Hindi pwede, hindi pwede.
Hey, guard. You don't understand English? Okay. I'll explain it in Filipino language.
Teka muna, teka sandali. Pin your ID properly. ID. No ID. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok.
You don't understand English. Okay. I will use national language. Buksan mo yung pinto. My golly, very hard to talk in Tagalog.
Sandali. Hindi mo ba naiintindihan talaga? Walang ID. Hindi ka pwedeng pumasok. Sige, malis ka na.
But I want to talk to the principal. I have my summit conference to him. Understand?
Naninigaw ka yata dahil dinadaan mo yata sa laki.
Don't move. Don't go.
Guard, anong problema?
Ano ma'am? Di ma'am, nagpupumilit pumasok eh, hindi naman pwede pumasok, walang ID eh.
Ah, anong problema? Yan batuta mo nakakastorbo eh. Anong problema ninyo?
Lady, because I have my summit conference to the principal of this school. And this gully person is refusing me to enter in this gully gate.
This gully, hindi ka pwede Ma'am, hindi pwede pumasok, walang ID eh.
Eh hindi eh, meron naman pala siyang appointment kay Mr. Dakoy-Kuy eh. Eh di papasukin na lang, di ba? At saka sasama ko na lang kayo sa office of the principal. At saka yung sinabi ko na nakakastorbo eh, baba mo na.
Ma'am.
Papasukin mo na lang kami, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, alika na.
Thank you.
Good morning po. Ah, by the way, dyan sa building na yan, dyan yung office of the principal.
Thank you. You know, you only kindness to myself. And the name of the lady is...
Ah, Grace Samson. PE instructors ako dito.
Oh, I see. I'm Webster Shakespeare Kubambang, the applicant of the English teacher here.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. And turn. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. And turn again. And one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Supersonic! Yeah, 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 Sonic! Ah, yeah, yeah, baby! Yeah, yeah, Supersonic! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Shake it! Yeah, shake it, baby! Yeah, yeah! Shake it!
Yes. What can I do for you? Plenty. I can cook for you. I can clean the house. And I can even go to market if you want. Sino ba ito? Malay ko sa inyo, sir.
Sino ka raw? Please, don't waste our time.
Sino? Wala kaming panahon sa kalokohan mo. Me? You don't know me? I'm genius, teaching English in this school. You want evidence? This is my diploma.
Ah! Ikaw yung nagpresentang magtuturo ng English?
Precisely. I'm teaching of English. Look that.
All right! You're hired!
Sir!
You meaning to say I'm hiring in this school?
But, of course! Bukas na bukas din, magtuturo ka ng English sa Section X.
That's wonderful! Wonderful!
O sige, subukan mo. Subukan mo kung halikan. May tama yung mukha mo.
Why, you have bad breath?
Ano ka mo?
No, I'm going to preparing my teaching in English. So, goodbye to all. Huh? Goodbye.